Japanese walking versus infinity walking versus Tai Chi walking. 10 differences that will change your mindset. 3 people walk every day, and after 30 days, one loses belly fat fast, one improves brain power, and one feels calm but sees almost no weight loss. Same time, same effort, but different results. So what's really happening here? Today we will break down Japanese walking, infinity walking, and Tai Chi walking by using 10 powerful factors that actually decide your results. And don't skip any part, because one small mistake in choosing your walking style can waste months of your effort. So before we begin, remember this: there is no single best walking method. There is only the method that matches your goal. And the first factor will already start separating these 3 methods very clearly. Factor 1. Fat burn. Japanese walking alternates fast and slow phases, increasing calorie burn. Its repeated heart rate spikes push fat usage and creates afterburn effect even after walking. Whereas infinity walking is slow and controlled movement, limits calorie burn. Its no intensity variation reduces fat usage. It focuses in coordination, not weight loss walking. But in Tai Chi walking, its very slow pace reduces energy expenditure. No cardiovascular stress for fat burning. It's designed for relaxation, not fat loss. So the clear winner is Japanese walking, and the rest two are average in fat burn. So if your only goal is weight loss walking, the answer already looks obvious. But here's where most people get confused. Because fat loss is not the only thing your body needs. What about your heart? So factor 2 is cardiac response. Japanese walking raises heart rate during fast intervals. It improves heart recovery during slow phases and builds cardiovascular strength. Whereas infinity walking maintains steady heart rate. It provides mild stimulation and suitable for low-intensity activity. But Tai Chi walking keeps heart rate low. It focuses on relaxation and minimal cardiovascular challenge. So again, the clear winner is Japanese walking. Infinity walking is average, but Tai Chi walking is just... I hope you understand. Now, this sounds simple. Higher heart rate means better fitness, right? Not always, because your brain plays a much bigger role than most people think. Let's see which walking method actually trains your brain. Factor 3. Brain activation. In Japanese walking, the repetitive motion reduces brain engagement. It focuses in physical effort and minimal coordination demand. Whereas in infinity walking, the continuous turning activates coordination centers. It improves spatial awareness and strengthens brain-body connection. But Tai Chi walking requires focus and control. It enhances awareness and improves mindfulness. So here the winner is infinity walk, and rest two are just average. So now something interesting is happening. The method that burns the least fat is actually the best for your brain, but brain activation is useless. If your body cannot maintain balance, let's go deeper. Factor 4. Balance and coordination. In Japanese walking, straight walking limits coordination. It focuses on speed and minimal balance training. Whereas in infinity walking, direction changes improve balance. It activates stabilizing muscles and reduces fall risk. But in Tai Chi walking, slow movement improves control. It strengthens posture and enhances stability. So the clear winner is infinity walk. But Tai Chi walking is also good. Now pause for a second. If one method is best for fat loss and another is best for balance, then which one actually improves your overall energy system? That's where metabolism comes in. Factor 5. Metabolism boost. In Japanese walking, the interval spikes increase metabolism. It burns more calories and creates afterburn effect. But in infinity walking, low intensity keeps metabolism stable, low calorie spike and minimal fat burning effect. But Tai Chi is different. It reduces metabolic demand and focus on calm movement and no afterburn effect. So again, the winner is Japanese walking, and rest two are not even close to it. At this point, Japanese walking is clearly dominating fat loss and metabolism. But here's the problem. High intensity is not always sustainable. So what happens to your stress level? Factor 6. Stress reduction. Japanese walking is physically demanding. It can increase stress temporarily and less calming effect. Whereas in infinity walking, the repetitive movement calms the mind. It improves focus and mild stress reduction. But in Tai Chi walking, the deep breathing reduces stress hormones. It activates relaxation response and improves emotional stability. So here the best is Tai Chi walking. Still, infinity is good, but Japanese is not at all suggested. So now we have a trade-off. What burns fat fast does not relax your body. But there's another hidden factor most people ignore. That is joint health. Factor 7. Joint impact. In Japanese walking, fast walking increases joint stress and repeated impact on knees. It requires proper technique. Whereas in infinity walking, the smooth transitions reduce impact, gives moderate joint safety and controlled movement. But Tai Chi is gentle on joints, gives low impact movement and suitable for all ages. So here the best is Tai Chi walking, but infinity is also good and Japanese is just moderate. Now think about this. If one method is safe and another is intense, which one gives faster results? Let's talk about time. Factor 8. Time efficiency. Japanese walking is about faster fat loss, high efficiency and shorter sessions needed. Whereas in infinity walking, there is slow progress. It needs longer duration and gradual benefits. But Tai Chi walking is very slow improvement. Long-term approach, not for quick results. So again, the winner is Japanese walking. Infinity is average, but Tai Chi is very slow. So Japanese walking wins speed, but speed is not everything. Because what really matters in the long run is how long your body stays healthy. So factor 9, longevity. Japanese walking improves fitness. It supports heart health and less focus on aging. Whereas infinity walking maintains brain function. It improves coordination and supports active aging. But Tai Chi walking improves mobility. It reduces fall risk and supports aging health. Winner is our Tai Chi walking. But infinity walking is also good and Japanese is moderate. Now, one final factor that most people only notice after they start, and that is something you face daily. Factor 10. Fatigue and headache. Japanese walking's high effort can cause fatigue. It has overtraining risk and needs time to recovery. Whereas infinity walking is a low fatigue walk, minimal strain and mentally engaging. But Tai Chi reduces tension. It improves blood flow and prevents headaches. So here the best is Tai Chi walking, but infinity and Japanese is also good. Now everything is clear. Japanese walking is best for weight loss walking. Infinity walking is best for brain and balance, but Tai Chi walking is best for stress and longevity. So the next time you go for a walk, don't just move your body. Decide your goal first, because the way you walk decides your result. Watch my previous video on weight loss that must be popping up on your screen. Click on it and see you in the next video.